Hi folks, welcome back. Today we'll be seeing the hotspot feature in Fable. So the hotspot section, we can add nested elements, which can add a further highlight on specific sub-elements within an highlighted element. So, let's click on select and then let's select this. So now this is a nested element. I will obviously show this further in the preview. Another feature in the hotspot is hide annotation. So we can hide this annotation, you know, we can turn on or turn off the interactivity, and we can hide the annotation in case you want your consumers to navigate around the demo by just clicking on the elements of the screen without any guidance. So let's go ahead and preview this and see what I've meant. So this is what I've meant by nested elements. This gives a specific highlight. Click on next. Here we are. We put in the annotation box. We just click on this and we come here. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.